Is the Canara HSBC Pension4 life plan the key to a stress-free retirement, or does it fall short of expectations? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. So, Canara HSBC Life Insurance Pension4 Life Plan is an individual, non-linked, non-par general annuity plan. And some of the key features of the policy are: you get a variety of annuity options to suit your financial needs. You get guaranteed lifetime income directly credited to your bank account. You have the choice to receive regular payouts for as long as you or your spouse lives. Also have the option to select either an immediate or deferred annuity. You also get financial security for your family with the return of purchase price upon your passing. There's flexibility to choose the payout frequency like yearly, half yearly, quarterly, or monthly, and this is suitable for banks or financial institutions to fulfill annuity commitments under reverse mortgage schemes. So these are some of the key features of this policy. Let us take a look at the annuity options, the variety of options present under this policy. There are immediate life annuity, which is single life; immediate life annuity with return of purchase price for single life. Third is immediate life annuity with return of balance purchase price, which is for single life. Number 4 is immediate life annuity with return of purchase price on critical illness or accidental, total and permanent disability or death for single life. Number 5 is immediate joint life annuity with return of purchase price. Number 6 is deferred life annuity with return of purchase price, which is single life. And number 7, NPS family income option. So this is available only for national pension systems, which is like NPS subscribers. So under all these annuity options, you can see there are survival benefit like annuity and death benefit available, but it differs based on the option you have opted. So under these 7 options, whichever option you have opted for, these benefits will differ, and maturity benefit is not applicable in this policy. So if you want to know more about it in detail, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of this policy? So the advantages are: your higher purchase price results in higher annuity payouts, and you get convenient one-time payment plan. There are annuity rate increase by 1% for NPS subscribers or existing customers, and there is loan facility available under annuity option 6. The disadvantages are: your chosen annuity option cannot be changed after inception. The annuity income you get from this policy is fully taxable. The surrender is only under specific annuity options, and there is no annual step up in annuity to counter back inflation. So these are some drawbacks that you need to be mindful about before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of the policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video. So regardless of the option you have selected, the annuity amount is determined at the time of purchase and remains unchanged, unaffected by fluctuations in economic interest rate. So what we are going to do is, we are going to assess the internal rate of return, IRR, using data from the policy brochure, which is the internal rate of return, to see what kind of returns we get at the end of the day. So let us just assume for a calculation purpose that a 60-year-old male invests 25 lakhs in the plan under option 2, immediate life annuity with return of purchase price for single life. He opts for an annual annuity of 1.55 lakhs for life starting immediately. Assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, the purchase price is returned to the nominee at that age. So based on the cash flow, you can see the IRR calculated is to be 6.11% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So while the Canara HSBC Pension4 Life Plan offers a steady income stream during retirement, it comes with certain limitations. The invested amount is locked in, restricting liquidity, and the annuity remains fixed throughout life, making it vulnerable to inflation. In summary, the plan provides a moderate return but lacks flexibility and inflation protection. So, for those seeking a steady income stream, there are several alternatives to annuity plan which offer better returns and greater liquidity than the Canara policy. So, let's explore some fixed income options. As you can see on the screen, there are some fixed income options options presented, which number one is bank fixed deposit FD, which is a secure investment option from banks providing a guaranteed interest rate for a fixed tenure. So you can expect returns of 6 to 7% annually. Second option is Senior Citizen Savings Scheme SCSS, which is a government-backed scheme designed for senior citizens, ensuring regular interest payouts. So you can expect 8.2% returns annually. And there is the third option, RBI floating rate bond, which is a government issued bond with interest rate linked to the National Savings Certificate NSC rate, offering biannual payouts, and you can expect 8.05% annually. These instruments does provide fixed cash payout at regular interval, making them a viable alternative. However, like annuity plan, they also lack inflation protection. So to overcome this, incorporating equity into our investment portfolio can enhance the returns and preserve purchasing power. So using the same 25 lakh corpus from the Canara policy, here's an example where in the strategy we are going to blend fixed income instruments with equity. First of all, we are going to allocate 15 lakhs for equity, which is aimed at wealth creation with an assumed 12% return. Then we are going to allocate 10 lakhs for debt, which provides stability and regular income with an assumed 6% return. So initially the annual withdrawal would be 1.55 lakhs with an increase of 6% every 5 years to counter inflation. So every 5 years, shifting gains from equity to replenish the debt portion will be a portfolio rebalancing method. So the full shift to debt by age 71 will secure your portfolio against market volatility in later years. So by age 85, this approach results in a surplus corpus of 45 lakh, far exceeding the 25 lakh premium offered by the 25 lakh return of premium offered by the Canara policy. So the strategy highlights how a 60:40 equity to debt allocation combined with periodic rebalancing can generate inflation adjusted income and a corpus that outlives your lifetime. Adjustments can be made based on individual preferences and risk tolerance, ensuring a more flexible and rewarding retirement plan. So what is the final verdict on this policy? Is the Canara HSBC Pension4 Life Plan worth investing or not? So this policy offers various features including immediate, deferred payout, single or limited premium payment options, return or no return of premium, and single or joint life coverage. These features may seem appealing when presented by insurance agents or while browsing online. However, while lifetime income is a key benefit, it shouldn't be the sole deciding factor in choosing this plan. A deeper analysis shows that its returns are generally lower than those of traditional debt instruments, making it less suitable for building a strong retirement corpus, and it also has a high agent commission. So this plan's biggest drawbacks are a lack of liquidity and the absence of inflation adjusted income, which can reduce the real value of fixed payouts over time. So to combat inflation in retirement, it's crucial to incorporate equity into your portfolio. As discussed earlier, diversify and rebalance based on personal risk tolerance can actually enhance your financial security in the long term.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.